The full park assist system provides active assistance for parking. It detects an available parking space, then guides your Peugeot 508 to park it in that space without driver intervention. In association with the EAT8 automatic gearbox, the system takes control of steering, direction, acceleration and braking. The system helps you to maneuver in and out of parallel parking spaces and into perpendicular parking spaces. As you draw close to a parking zone, reduce vehicle speed to a maximum of 18 miles per hour. Select Park Assist button on the gear selector or select Park Assist in the Vehicle Driving menu on the touchscreen. Choose the style of parking and side in order to activate Parking Space Search. Drive at a distance of between 50 centimeters and 1.5 meters from the row of parked vehicles. Drive very slowly until the request to stop your Peugeot 508 is displayed. Place the gear in neutral, activate your indicator, and release the brake pedal. For the duration of the automatic maneuver, you must continually press the function control button on the gear selector. The system autonomously takes control of the choice of direction, acceleration, braking, and steering. As soon as the maneuver is complete, the vehicle comes to a halt. The off pictogram is displayed on the touchscreen, along with the message, "Maneuver complete."